Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's severe weather update. So, severe weather is returning to the Deep South on Thursday, and the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather across southeastern Texas and southwestern Louisiana in the yellow on Thursday. We have Houston and Lufkin, Texas in the slight risk for Thursday, and then a marginal risk extending into central Louisiana as well and back towards Austin and Corpus Christi, Texas. Looking at the probabilities of severe weather within 25 miles of a location for Thursday, there's a 15% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a location across southeastern Texas and southwestern Louisiana in the yellow, a 5% chance in the marginal risk area for Thursday in the brown. So let's take a look at our NAM model to look at the ingredients for Thursday setup. As we go into Thursday morning around 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, dew points in the low to mid 60s are going to spread across Texas. And then as we go into about noon to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, this is when our moisture is really going to spread north. We're going to be seeing dew points in the mid to upper 60s across southeastern Texas. And then as we go into the evening and overnight, the moisture will spread east with dew points in the mid to upper 60s across Louisiana, Mississippi, southeastern Texas. And then as we go into Friday morning, the dew points will spread across portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and western Florida, where a severe threat could occur on Friday as well. Now looking at the CAPE, the convective available potential energy, as we go into 7 a.m. Thursday morning, going to be seeing CAPE of about 500 to 1,000 joules per kilogram across deep South Texas. But as we go into noon, and especially the afternoon, CAPE values are going to increase to 1,000 to 2,000 joules per kilogram across southeastern Texas and Houston, Victoria, Bryan College Station. Going through the evening, this instability will remain across southeast Texas, spreading into western Louisiana of about 1,000 to 2,000 joules per kilogram. And then as we go into Friday night, or Thursday night, Friday morning, this is when instability will surge across portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, western Florida, and we could be seeing severe weather once again on Friday across the deep south. Now, looking at our low-level jet, our wind shear, the most important ingredient for the severe weather setup. As we go into Thursday morning, already looking at a very strong low-level jet across Texas of about 40 to 50 knots. And then as we go into around noon on Thursday Central Standard Time, low-level jet will be cranking up to 50 to 60 knots. And then as we go into about 4 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, low-level jet will be cranking to 60 to 70 knots. And this will potentially lead to a dangerous tornado setup across southeastern Texas, including potentially Houston Thursday afternoon, as our low-level jet's going to align with the instability and the moisture across this area. Going into Thursday evening and Friday morning, low-level jet about 60 to 70 knots spreading across East Texas, Louisiana. And then as we go into Friday morning, low-level jet across the deep south, the Gulf Coast, of about 40 to 50 knots as well. Could be looking at a severe weather setup on Friday as well across the Gulf Coast area. And finally, looking at our Supercell composite parameter for Thursday around 7 a.m., looking at about 2 to 3, so low to medium. But as we go into about noon and into the afternoon, this is when our Supercell composite parameter is going to really ramp up to about 7 to 12 across portions of southeastern Texas, Houston through Bryan College Station. This means that the atmosphere is going to be primed for supercells on Thursday during the afternoon. Into the evening, supercell composite parameter of about 4 to 7 will spread into Louisiana. And then as we go into Friday morning, supercell composite parameters will be low to medium but existent across the deep south in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, western Florida. So thanks for watching this evening's severe weather update. Make sure you're preparing for a potential a dangerous severe weather event on Thursday if you live across Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.